I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakingimpact.com, and today I'm answering your question. This comes from Hillary Milliam, and she says, I'm struggling deciding what content goes where. What belongs on Instagram, what belongs on a blog, what belongs in a Facebook group, etc. Really good question. What I do is I have one core piece of content, and then I tend to break it down and kind of spread it out all over the place. So one blog post could end up being chunked down into 5 Instagram posts or 5 Facebook posts, right? Or you can put it on Twitter, or obviously it's going on Pinterest, obviously. But the main key is you could put the same content everywhere. The main key is to speak in the actual language that is being used on that platform. So on Facebook, we use different terminology than we would say on Instagram, right? So on Instagram would be like double tap and check out the link in my bio. You wouldn't say that on Facebook because you don't have a specific link in bio and you don't double tap, right? So just be aware of the language that's being spoken on each platform. If you're new to different social media platforms, just hang out there for a while, see what people are actually saying, the different terminology that they use. It tends to be different on all these other platforms, but you could absolutely repurpose one piece of content on all of these platforms as long as you're speaking that one specific language there. I hope that helps. Make sure to check out my free Pinterest masterclass. I'm going to teach you how to get more leads